Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Secant of s, that is about 1 over cosine s. This one we need to transform into this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine s ds. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u, and we have u to the power of 5 sine s ds. We change for negative du. So this one we can write u to the power of negative number 5. And now we have the final answer. So we have u to the power of negative number 5 plus 1 over negative number 5 plus 1. And I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 4. This one we have negative number 4. About u, that is about cosine s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.